Okay, Dan, so I've seen how simple the tap looks above the work surface.
Yep.
I'm imagining all sorts of things under the sink. Reveal to me, what does this consist of? How does it work?
It's actually very straightforward. Under the sink, you've got some components here. We've got the heating tank here.
Can I just say, that's tiny.
It's
I was
relatively small, yeah.
expecting something huge taking up all the space under my sink, but actually you can still fit your cleaning bits and bobs underneath there quite easily.
Yeah, it'll fit in a standard unit. Even with an undermount sink, you've still got clearance, and it's not taking up the whole cupboard, so you can still fit other appliances alongside it.
Fantastic.
And also your basic cleaning stuff, your vases and your bottles of bleach and that.
And is this the filter here?
Yeah, we've got a filter here that's, this is a replacement filter, so this is a loose filter.
Okay, so that goes in there, does it?
That's right, that goes in this housing here, which is, as you can see, bracketed to the side of the cupboard there. So that's your filter there.
Brilliant,
And
okay.
that's treating both the filtered and the boiling above.
And the tank doesn't look huge, so that begs the question, how many, if I've got people round, say, for, afternoon tea, how many cups of tea or coffee can I make from the tap in one go?
Okay, so the straight answer is about 8.
Oh, fantastic.
You've got a 4 litre tank, okay,
yeah.
but it doesn't dispense 4 litres of boiling. You'll get about 8 cups of boiling from the tap,
yep.
or let's say a huge saucepan for
I'm not sure
boiling pasta.
My kettle probably can't do 8 cups in one go. I'm sure I've got to reboil it sometimes.
That's what you find, yeah. After you've used that, the tank just needs a little bit of time to regenerate, and then you can do it all over again about 10 minutes later.
So 10 minutes isn't a long time, really?
No, for a household, that's workable. You can, you're not going to be knocking out 20,
8
30
cups of tea. You're not going to need more in 10 minutes. Well, hopefully not.
It's a busy household if you're doing that many cups of tea in one go.
Very busy.